In a surprising turn of events, Chinese robot stocks have surged following an intriguing teaser from Unitree, a rising star in the robotics industry. The video showcased a remarkable mechanical dog effortlessly climbing slopes, performing a one-legged spin, and traversing rocky landscapes. This exciting development led to a significant boost in the Solactive China Humanoid Robotics Index, which tracks companies involved in the production and innovation of robots. The index saw an impressive rise of up to 5% on Wednesday. Individual company stocks also experienced substantial growth, with Zhejiang Changsheng Sliding Bearings Co. shares skyrocketing by 16%. Meanwhile, Ningbo Zhongda Leader Intelligent Transmission Co. stock reached its daily limit, increasing by 10%. But here's where it gets interesting. The success of Unitree's mechanical dog not only highlights the rapid advancements in Chinese robotics, but also raises questions about the future of humanoid robots in various industries. Will we soon see these sophisticated machines performing complex tasks in our daily lives? And this is the part most people miss. The surge in stock prices indicates growing investor confidence in the Chinese robotics sector. This could potentially attract more funding and accelerate innovation in the field. What are your thoughts on the future of humanoid robotics? Do you believe we're on the brink of a robotic revolution? Share your opinions in the comments below.